My name is April.
I'm Natasha.
We're new to this mukbang thing. I'm a little excited. So, Mama, what you got here
I'm
today?
the mother. This is the daughter, by the way.
I'm pretty sure they know.
Okay, we're gonna start out with our simple. These are beautiful drinks April made for us.
I can't tell you what's in it.
That's good, April. That's real good. Yeah, you hooked that up.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what we got today here with us?
All right, we got some king crab. We got the colossal shrimp. We got some boudin. Those who know what boudin is, this is some boudin.
Can you explain to them what that is?
It's a Texas thing. It's a Texas and Louisiana thing. Those who from Texas and Louisiana, they know what this is. It's not as good as the fresh made boudin, because we're here in Florida. We get it at the local Walmart. So, but it'll do for now. We're gonna work with what we have. And we have broccoli, we have potatoes, corn,
Got some little lemon.
and little lemon rain, and the sauce. Got some sauce, and this is the what?
Dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce. And
All
we're
right.
gonna dive right on in, guys.
So let's get in. What you gonna get first?
I think I'm gonna start with a shrimp first. I think I'm gonna do my shrimp first.
All right, I'm gonna get me a crab leg. Okay, but I do want to start with one of these.
Okay.
So tell the community a little about yourself, because they already know about me.
Like what?
You tell me.
Where is the potato?
How
I'm
old
just
are
an
you?
average girl, just you know.
How old are you? When
Um,
did you move here?
I'm 44. I moved here in '93. I really didn't like it, guys, when I first moved here. I really hated Florida. Because I was, I'm from Texas. I'm a Texas girl. I have all my family there. Moved here and had to get adapted to this place. No cousins around. Just my mother, my brother, and Florida it just wasn't hitting for me. But I quickly got adapted to Florida. I really got adapted really quick. And now you can't get me to go back to Texas. It's crazy. So now I guess I'm a Floridian girl now.
I mean, that hurt. You are always gonna be a Texas girl. Okay, don't get that messed up. But
Yeah.
things happen. What else? When you moved here, how did everything change for you? How did you adapt?
That's the problem. I didn't adapt well. It took me a long time to.
Like, what age did you say you started adapting to this place?
I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really adapt till I was maybe in my 19, 20. Yeah. It took me a long time to really set in Florida. It took me a long time. I guess once I started making friends and whatnot,
How was school like for you?
kind of got settled. I made a lot, that was like the closest thing to my family. I made a lot of friends, those who in Jacksonville know about the Skill Center. I went to Westside Skill Center and took a trade there, cosmetology. Well, the first year it was culinary arts. And then I didn't care for that. And then I ended up going into cosmetology. And there I made so many friends that, the girls were like my cousins. Like when I wasn't there, they had my back. Oh, such and such said this, and I had to put them in. It was like family. They were like family, and I truly missed them. That was the closest thing to family. So, you know, and I kind of lost touch with a lot of those girls, but, you know, it's okay. I lost touch. Well, it's okay.
Huh?
So,
what else?
Yeah, that's kind of it. You know.
What do you do for a living?
Why? Some things I don't want to say. It's not nothing bad, but
you ain't
I
got
don't,
to.
you know, I don't want to get that deep into what
It's
I
okay. It's okay. I feel that. Well, what's your favorite thing to do?
Work. I'm a workaholic. That's what I do. I just work.
You are not wrong.
That's all I do. I just like, I don't stop. I don't stop.
I heard you say you didn't like culinary arts, right?
No, I didn't.
Why?
I just didn't. I wasn't into it. I was really into hair, believe it or not. I was really, really into hair. And that's what I went to school for. And that's what I like. I like hair.
If you could go back in time and like do hair, would you do it?
But you know what? I think I would get in the world of, I would have my own salon. I would definitely market things. I would, you know, brand things. I wasn't thinking about stuff like that. Branding, marketing, all this stuff. I wasn't thinking about all that. I just wanted to do hair.
That's fair.
Yeah. And back then when I was in school, the things we were doing waves and French twists. Those who know in the 90s, that's what we were doing. Finger waves, ocean waves, shortcuts.
Wait, so you talking about bobs?
They were doing like the wrap comb out bobs. Yeah, they were doing bobs. Things of that nature when I was in school.
Yeah.
Well, things have changed, definitely different now.
Our generation.
Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't say our generation anymore.
But yeah, I would do things much different than I did then.
What would you say the lifestyle is from the 90s to now?
The 90s was the era. That was the era, from the music to the hairstyles, everything, the way we you know, it was just the way. The 90s was it. And those who are my age, they can vouch and say, yeah, she right. Yes, ma'am. The 90s was it.
I'm gonna try to boudin real quick.
Okay, me too. I'm gonna taste it.
Dip it in here.
I'm gonna taste a little bit with you.
See what this is all about.
I'm gonna dip it in here.
I was gonna do both.
It's okay. It ain't fresh, like the fresh made out of the store. It's frozen from Walmart, but it'll do. It's close enough. But
I'm missing Judy's.
what's that?
I'm missing Judy's.
Judy's boudin? Judy's got the best. Yeah. Those from Texas know what Judy's all about.
Let me tell y'all a little more about me. I am 22, about to be 23. I was born and raised here in Jacksonville. What I can say about Jacksonville, it ain't much to do.
No,
it isn't.
No, but you can go in other places. You can go to Orlando, Miami. You can make Florida fun if you know where to go and what to do.
Well, I don't get out.
Jacksonville is not so much to do, but you have to definitely leave up out of Jacksonville to have a good time. Because it's definitely not here.
We do got good seafood though. I'll admit that. We do got good seafood. But that's about it.
Mm-hmm.
What else could I say about myself? Excuse me. Ooh, mama, that's food.
That you burping?
Yeah. I don't even know what else to say about myself. I'm very random. Very random. You know I am. I say the most weirdest things. She looks at me like I'm crazy half the time. But, school? I was here and there in trouble every so often. Not much, but just very little. I do remember this one time I got in trouble and got sent to detention because I had accidentally slammed a kid's head into a trash can. I never told you about that? I never told you about that?
Mm.
You want to hear story time?
Did they call me about that? Wait a minute.
They probably did. I don't know. They probably did.
Why you say it like that?
Because I did. Well, I mean, it wasn't intentional. It wasn't on purpose. It was because the kid was bothering me. In a way, he was like bullying me. I didn't like it.
Well.
So I did what I needed to do. And I slammed his head into the trash can. I got in trouble. The whole cafeteria went silent. And they took me to the detention office. And I'm not gonna lie, I cried because I didn't know what was happening.
You thought I was gonna beat your butt.
Mm-hmm. But Dad came up there and got me.
Mm-hmm.
He was mad because I went into detention. But I was like, what was I supposed to do? Just let the kid hit me or do what he doing? No.
Mm-hmm.
That or either you get punched in the face. I don't know.
Well, if he bullying you, then that's different. But you don't just go hit nobody for nothing. I hope that ain't the case.
I mean,
You gotta defend yourself.
I'm definitely defending. Defending into that principal's office.
Yeah.
What else?
But we don't put up with no bullying.
That's a no-no. Today was a really good day for me. My little puppy.
It's crispy. I like when the skin like that. I don't like when it's soggy.
I don't know anybody that likes tough boudin.
No.
My little puppy, I have a dog. Her name is Coach. She's a hot mess. She has personality. She'll give you the most weirdest looks if you say something to her.
It's almost like she a human, y'all.
I think she is
a real human.
I think she's human.
She got human-like tendencies.
Right now, as we speak, she's looking at us sideways, actually.
She look at you with her head tilted like, huh? What'd you say?
What did you say? This food actually is...
It's hitting. This drink is good, too.
I put my foot in that. I don't know what it's called, but I put my foot into it. Ooh,
That's good.
look.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see that? I don't think y'all can see. I want to get close.
Dip it in the sauce. And put some.
Hold down. Slow down now. But you over here in my space for? Let's see. Dip it in there. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Good. I'll do this one.
Oh. Oh. What is that?
I think I'm gonna dip mine in here.
Oh, I got it on my shirt. It's okay. We don't know how to attack. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
What else can we talk about today? Well, some of y'all put in the suggestions what we should talk about. I feel like today is just one of those chill days. We're just enjoying the food today.
Mm-hmm.
Not really talking much.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay though, because some people like silence. I mean, when you're eating, yeah. I don't know. Definitely it's a chill day because I don't know. What you think?
What you said?
So you just gonna take my broccoli piece like that?
And I did. I did.
That's a good looking one too. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I bet. You saw how she just took my broccoli like that? I don't know what else. Today is
Real good.
and we ain't talking much because of good how good it is.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors for the knuckle.
You can have it.
You don't want the knuckle? You want this one too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, my bad.
I got. See, I still have some. No, I got this. It's okay.
How did your day go today?
Okay. I just got some stuff done around the house. That's it.
That's it.
Today was a chill day,
Like I said.
so then I gotta go back at it again, work. So I enjoy my days off when I can.
That's understandable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The difference between me and you, you're being classy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting in.
Mm-hmm. I'm getting in too. I'm getting in.
I don't see it.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see it?
Yeah, they see it.
Okay. Okay.
These shrimp, look at these shrimp, y'all. These some pretty big shrimp. I didn't give y'all bites. Let me break this thing down.
First bite.
Give them a bite.
Well, it's too late for a first bite. Want to give them this one?
Yeah, dip it, put some lemon rain on it, dip it all, make it juicy. You can't do them like that.
You right. Want some more? Some more?
Get a bite.
Yeah. Y'all got a bite? All right, time to share it. Y'all know what's good. If they say in New Orleans, shabao.
Oh, they do?
I watched the TikToker say that. He's a shabao.
Well, I didn't know they talk like that. Okay.
But today was.
That was it with the boudin?
No, I got mine over there still.
You cut it in half?
You want some?
I think I'm gonna eat the other half. Since you're gonna eat the other knuckle.
That's fair. But overall, Michelle Bow. No, I'm just playing. Overall, this was good. See how she looking at me? I be making weird noises. She be looking at me like, girl, what's your problem? I ain't never did this with my crabs before.
Where?
Cut them.
I thought you cut your crabs. You snap them?
Baby,
like,
I go
like
in.
Break them?
I go in with my hands. We don't do that.
I think you get all the meat like that.
You think so?
All your meat.
Well, I guess my thinking is
It's
different.
just a better way of doing it. Seem like to me.
No. I don't think
That's
so.
my opinion.
Did y'all been seeing them imitation crab meat mukbangs? Have you? You think they good?
I like it in my sushi. Talking about the meat that go in the sushi. I like it mainly for the sushi, but I'm not discrediting it. It's probably good, but
You think if you got that high quality imitation crab meat?
imitation meat is imitation meat.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes I don't even trust the food here.
But what you think about trying it like that?
I don't know. I've been seeing it. It looked kind of good though. It looked
It might be.
really good.
I'm not knocking it. You know,
I'm not knocking it. I mean, hey, do what you got. Do what you gotta do.
they make it look good. You know.
Honey. For all I know, it might be better than this.
It could be. No, it ain't better than the real thing. It don't get no better than the real thing. It don't get no better than the real thing. So,
You don't. No.
take that back.
Okay, I'm not taking it back.
It don't get better than the real thing, sweetheart. That's why it's invitation crab meat.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
You excuse.
You see how she being sassy with me? Okay, honey. Do your thing. I know you better not get that in my face. I know that. She make it rain. She eat it up. But, oh, we coming down to an end, huh? You like corn and potatoes? Yeah. I don't know. You guys need to throw some topics out there for us to talk about. I mean, this is our first month. Well, second for me, but this is her first.
Yeah.
And
I'm new to the mukbang world, y'all. So be nice. Be nice, people.
I need some things to talk about because April's mind wanders a mile a minute. We could talk about something and my mind be on something else completely. Yeah, I know it's fun. It's not. My baby laying down now. She ain't barking or nothing. She tired. It be like that sometimes. She's like, I'm taking a nap. I feel that.
Lord.
Well,
Ooh.
girl, we got 2 more broccolis.
Keep one for me.
Which one?
Just eat it. I'm good. I don't want no potatoes or corn.
I don't need
I
it.
might eat that shrimp, but that's it.
You don't want the broccoli? Okay. I'll be glad to take it. This food was so good, we kind of just did not talk for the rest of it.
You think? You think? You think?
I know that drink good though.
That drink is good. I might make another one.
Oh.
Put a double shot in there for me.
Excuse me.
Because I can do that.
You're the mom.
I'm off and I can do that.
Go ahead. I ain't stopping you.
I know.
Do what you do.
Watch me.
Okay. Okay.
And what about it? What about it?
All right. My bad.
What about it?
I got my last cluster here. Look at how big it is. Y'all see that? That's like a knuckle sandwich. Why are you looking at it like that?
I don't know if I like how that look. The way you holding it.
Armstrong. Look at it.
You so silly. I can't with you. She's got to be a clown in everything she do, y'all. She just a clown. A clown.
If I'm not a clown, what am I?
But you gotta have some personality. I wish I had that type of personality because I don't. I really don't.
Sorry, you don't. That sounds like a PP problem, huh?
Don't have it.
This is a gift. It's a personality gift. Look at that. How am I gonna open this? I don't know. Guys, I have bad experiences with lemons.
Sorry. I'm not trying to put it on. I'm just...
I have bad experiences with lemons. My grandmother used to eat lemons by itself. I do too. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I do too. But she was eating a lemon and it squeezed. When she squeezed it, it went in my eyes. Me and lemons have bad juju together. I love eating them, but they scare me.
That sounds like a personal problem. It do.
It is kind of a personal problem because, like, I don't know how to attack this knuckle. Do I open it like?
Go ahead and take me a good shower and crash. I am full as a tick. I'm full as a tick.
I feel that.
Ooh. You dipped it in the
Girl, I'm trying to open it. Is it enough dip on your chip?
Not ideal.
I was about to say, where did my other claw go? I was about to say, did Casper just come and take my claw like that? I don't play around when it comes to seafood boils. I get down and dirty. It's sad to say it, but I do. I do. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. You look so full.
I am.
You just ready to go take a nap, aren't you? Okay, there we go. Which one should I use? This one? What's this one? Both. Like that. Like so, like that, like so. And I'm out of lemons.
Oh, this one.
You missed it!
That was one right there.
Oh. What is there?
It's the juice in it.
Where?
Oh my God. Put it on the knuckle. It's enough for the knuckle.
Well, how am I gonna open?
Now for the knuckle, you need the scissors. You really do.
No, I don't.
How you gonna crack that thing?
Baby, we always find a way.
Baby. Baby.
Where is it? I might need it. I might. Oh my God.
That was a tough shell.
I got it.
But
though.
that's a lot of meat.
I got it though.
Mm-hmm.
I offered it to you. You know what you said? No.
Show them the claw, the last one.
Well, let me open it.
give the people the last one. They probably be like, let her keep it.
Okay, ooh.
That'll keep that.
Y'all see that? That look like a lobster meat.
It really do. Dip it in the sauce and put a little lemon on there.
Oh yeah.
Put that little, that lemon. There you go.
Wow. 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 There we go. Look at that. Y'all see that? Dibby dibby. Y'all want any here too? Yeah. You want a bite?
I'm good. I'm full. I'm full, girl.
No. I don't know. I don't know. Well,
Okay, let's close it out.
thank you for coming to eat with us. I know this is a little quiet this time.
You think?
I don't think so. I don't know.
It wasn't nothing quiet about it. It wasn't nothing quiet about this, honey. With that mouth you got, honey. Trust me, it wasn't that quiet.
I know she ain't talking.
Yes, I did.
And ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll have some more coming.
Oh, yeah. A whole lot more, guys. A whole lot more.
Okay. Anyway, my hands are kind of dirty right now, so I might need you to kiss them goodbye.
Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, and hit your notification bells.
You forgot one more thing.
What else?
You got to comment. How you just gonna
Oh, and you can't forget about to comment. And we're out, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.